So my program actually doesn't have a second it doesn't have a second design pattern implemented. So the way that my program works, it essentially I couldn't find a use for or a way to put in a second design pattern with the way that the program works. Here we actually, if you look at the game data, I believe, whenever I put it onto a loop that counts basically how many times it's ran through, and then it's reset. So you can time you can time basically when to add a new row of enemy objects. So that would be right here. So we keep implementing passes until passes equals we keep implementing or increasing passes by 1 until passes equals 57. Now once passes hits 57, we're going to create more enemy objects that are going to go to the width of the screen. So that's going to basically continuously produce more enemy objects throughout the game. So that's why they constantly fall throughout the screen. So each time a new row of enemy objects is added on, that loop is reset at 57, and that's because that's whenever the row would be empty. So we continue to produce more enemy objects falling from the top.